are not at Wrapsesh. We are actually at SEMA at the Las Vegas Convention Center. We're here in the Ford booth.
Oh yeah.
The biggest booth here, right?
Awesome booth.
Right. So
they have all kinds of awesome stuff here.
if you guys see behind us, we actually have the F-150 that we collaborated with Full Race over in Scottsdale, Arizona. So we did a full custom color change sponsored by Avery. Really cool being in the Ford booth. There's not a lot of Wraps cars here, yeah?
There's a couple here and there, yeah, but it's definitely, I feel privileged just being in this booth because, I mean, there's...
Absolutely, it was an absolute honor. So we're day one at SEMA. We just got here like an hour ago, but we're gonna walk around and try to find more of our cars, yeah?
Yeah, we're gonna try to hunt some down. I think our Lambo's here.
I think it is. The Rocket Lamb Space Jet is here at SEMA. That was a cool little surprise.
Yeah.
All right, let's do it.
Yeah.
Thank you guys so much. We're at Good Boy Daisy. We've got wristbands up here if you want to rep our band name.
Hey guys, Vinyl Vixen and Slim Shuddy and King Joffrey here at SEMA show. We're at the SEMA show in the Avery Dennison booth here in the North Hall. Joffrey is actually responsible for all 12 of the designs
I'm
here,
responsible,
right?
yeah.
I'm
He's
responsible.
the mastermind behind these designs. So I want to talk about this Khmer that you guys did.
Yeah.
These
So
designs are
so we wrapped it first in the color flow series.
Okay.
So it's all covered in one big piece of vinyl
Solid.
because we had to put the graphics on top, you know.
Yeah.
And if you put the graphics like on the paint and taking it off later,
It's a pain.
like
So it's like
yeah.
triple wrap,
Yeah,
technically
good idea.
speaking.
Yeah.
Okay.
Good idea.
So how long did it take you to plot out like this entire design?
yeah, luckily I had a guy who weeded out the stuff.
Yeah.
So it took like 22 hours.
22 hours.
2
The whole
hours.
stuff. Yeah.
That's insane. That's super tedious work.
Yeah, so
Right.
we have these pieces are plotted. This one, the koi fish and the back.
Yeah.
And I added all the lines to go in between to make it more fittable.
Okay.
Gotcha.
So those are all just pins you added on.
Pin stripes.
Okay.
Very cool.
Yeah.
And then you were using a laminated Avery chrome on that?
No,
Sat-
this is a satin chrome.
Oh, the
Just a
satin
satin
chrome. So it's
layer.
already ready to go.
Yeah, yeah,
okay.
yeah, it's a new
so how
Avery
long did
color.
it take you guys to knock this out?
I think we started at 9 o'clock and
Okay.
we're finished now. It's like
Really?
5 hours.
Yeah.
Wow.
Still
That's
fast.
How many
impressive.
people?
5-hour wrap.
5 people.
5 people?
Five.
5 people.
That's
Yeah.
not bad. For a chrome wrap.
It looks
It looks awesome.
So tomorrow you guys are actually going to have a female kind of
Oh,
thing,
yeah.
right?
Oh yeah.
Right, so there's actually going to be 3. Is it 3
Three.
girls? We have 3 female installers that are going to be doing a full vinyl wrap, one of Joffrey's designs here in the Avery booth. So
Oh,
make
yeah.
sure you guys check that out.
And each one of these designs are like super intricate.
Super crazy. Not for
stepping
the
back
faint-hearted.
tomorrow.
Are you?
He's going to be directing it all. Very cool.
From a distance, you know.
Can you
Yeah.
tell us which car they're going to be wrapping?
This
Is it going to be this
Camaro.
one? Solid.
Yeah.
Very cool. Well, thank you so much
Okay, no
for
problem.
talking to us.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Catch you guys around.
Okay.
I feel my heart is going full speed. I can't control it. Can't keep up with the rhythm of it all. Is this all an illusion? 'Cause I'm getting deluded. Can't keep up with the rhythm of it all. I gotta figure it out right now. 'Cause I know what you need. You want only the best and nothing but the best from me. I gotta figure it out right now, 'cause I know what you need. You want only the best and nothing but the best from me. Need to get into motion just to find my devotion. Still I'm stuck in the middle of it all. And before all this is broken, still want you to be closer with me, stuck in the middle of it all. I gotta figure it out right now, 'cause I know what you need. You want only the best and nothing but the best from me. I gotta figure it out right now, 'cause I know what you need. You want only the best and nothing but the best from me.
Thank you guys so much for watching this week. It's been so crazy at SEMA. I was glad to bring you in on the adventure. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you dig the Wrapsesh vibe. You can follow our social media at Vinyl Vixen Wraps and Wrapsesh AZ, Facebook and Instagram, as well as Mutoh if you guys are interested in a printer. Huge thank you to Flares for sponsoring us, as well as 3M and Excel Blades. We will see you guys later, yeah?